Hey guys, today's video is going to be my IPSY unbagging for the month of November. I actually got 2 bags this month. The other one isn't here yet. It says it's going to be here next week. I don't know why I got 2 bags. I will definitely update you guys and let you guys know what I got in the other bag, if I got the same thing or what. I'll probably update you guys on my vlog channel, so follow my vlog channel. I'll have a link down below. I am going to be doing Vlogmas, so that's exciting. I'm really excited for that. But yeah, let's just get into this bag. There is no card in here, so I don't know what the theme is. The bag is cute. My girls will probably end up stealing this from me. They'll really like this little pattern. Okay, so the first thing is from Oribe. This is the dry texturizing spray. It says to shake, spray where you want volume, style to desired finish, and hold. A brilliant alternative to dry shampoo. I've heard of this brand before. I've tried, was it a dry shampoo from this brand? I've tried something from this brand and I really like it. So I'm excited for this. This is already a great bag. What else do we have? This is from Pure Lease. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream. Oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage. Matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. I'm excited for this. I love BB creams. I love CC creams. I do like, you know, to wear foundation, but BB creams and CC creams are my go-to for like daily wear. So yeah, I'm excited for this. Next, we have a mascara from Pure. This is the fully charged mascara. It says mascara powered by magnetic technology. Whatever that means. I don't know. But I'm excited to try this. I will definitely feature this in a Mascara Monday episode. This is a good bag, you guys. I liking it. I'm liking it. Okay, this is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. Detoxify and brighten. Ooh, yes. I will definitely use this. The last thing is from MAC. This is the Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. This is in Radiant Yellow. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from MAC in an IPSY bag. I think MAC is like fairly new to IPSY. Like they started putting MAC products in IPSY bags like not too long ago. I could be wrong, but I don't know. That's just what I feel is correct. So yeah, I'm excited for this. This is a really good bag, you guys. I will definitely use this. I will definitely use this pink clay mask. I love face masks. You guys already know I love mascara, so that is great. BB cream as well, and then this dry texturizing spray. You guys, this was a really good bag this month. I don't know why I'm putting everything back in the bag. I'm excited to try everything in this bag, and like I said, I will let you guys know when my other bag gets here, if I got the same products, if I got different ones. I don't know why I got 2 bags this month, but make sure you're following my vlog channel because that's most likely where I'm going to talk about it. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys are interested in signing up for IPSY, I will have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.